20 badass skills that make you hard to replace. 1. Physical fitness. A strong body changes the way you think, move, and carry yourself. People treat you differently when you look disciplined. Energy, confidence, and resilience all start with your physical health. Weak habits create weak bodies. Strong habits create strong people. 2. Deep work. Most people can't focus for 10 minutes without checking their phones. If you can work deeply for hours without distraction, you instantly separate yourself from the crowd. Focus is rare today, and rare skills create valuable people. 3. Public speaking. If you can speak clearly and confidently in front of people, opportunities will chase you. The ability to communicate ideas with confidence builds trust, leadership, and influence. A powerful voice can change your career and your life. 4. Sales. Every successful person knows how to sell. Whether it's a product, an idea, or themselves, sales is one of the highest income skills in the world. If you can persuade people and communicate value clearly, you will always have opportunities. 5. Negotiation. Life is negotiation. Salary, business, relationships, opportunities, respect, everything involves negotiation. People who negotiate well gain control over their lives, while others settle for less than they deserve. 6. Emotional control. Most people react emotionally to stress, anger, and pressure. Strong people stay calm. Emotional control is a superpower because calm people think clearly, while emotional people destroy opportunities. 7. Problem solving. Complaining is easy. Solving problems is valuable. The people who rise in life are usually the people who can stay calm, think clearly, and find solutions when others panic. Become a problem solver, not a problem creator. 8. Decision making. Indecisive people stay stuck for years. Powerful people make decisions quickly and adjust when needed. Your life improves when your decisions improve. Confidence comes from trusting yourself under pressure. 9. Leadership. Leadership is not about controlling people. It's about responsibility, communication, and setting the standard. Leaders create direction when others feel lost. The ability to lead will always make you valuable in business and in life. 10. Discipline. Motivation disappears quickly. Discipline is what keeps you going when you don't feel like working. Average people rely on mood. Dangerous people rely on habits. Discipline creates freedom, results, and self-respect. 11. Learning fast. The world changes fast. Technology changes fast. Opportunities change fast. People who learn slowly get left behind. If you can adapt and learn new skills quickly, you will survive and grow in almost any environment. 12. Digital skills. Learn skills that work online. Editing, coding, design, marketing, content creation. These skills create income and freedom in the modern world. The internet rewards people who create value digitally. 13. Communication. People judge you by the way you speak, write, and express yourself. Clear communication builds trust and influence. Confused communication creates missed opportunities. Learn to speak with clarity and purpose. 14. Networking. Your environment shapes your future. The right people can open doors that talent alone cannot. Surround yourself with ambitious, disciplined, and intelligent people because your circle affects your mindset and standards. 15. Time management. Most people waste years without realizing it. Use a calendar. Plan your days. Schedule your goals. Time is your most valuable asset because once it's gone, you never get it back. 16. Financial management. Making money is important, but keeping and growing it is even more important. Learn to save, invest, and control unnecessary spending. Financial discipline creates freedom and reduces stress. 17. Adaptability. The people who survive difficult times are not always the strongest. They are the people who adapt the fastest. Learn to stay flexible, adjust quickly, and grow through change instead of resisting it. 18. Reliability. Be the person who keeps their word. Reliable people are trusted with opportunities, leadership, and responsibility. In a world full of excuses, reliability becomes rare and extremely valuable. 19. Pressure handling. Anyone can perform when life is easy. Real strength appears under pressure. Learn to stay calm during stress, failure, uncertainty, and chaos. Pressure reveals who is truly prepared. 20. Execution. Ideas mean nothing without action. Most people talk, plan, and dream, but never execute. Winners move. They take action repeatedly until results appear. Execution is what turns potential into reality. Build these skills and you won't need to chase respect, money, or opportunities forever. Eventually, they start chasing you. Like the video and subscribe for more. Start now and be irreplaceable.